Hello and welcome guys to another video. In previous video, we had learned about quick access toolbar. Now in this video, we will learn about this ribbon functionality of Revit. This whole section you see here is ribbon tab. So in ribbon, we have different tabs like architecture, structure, trees, insert, analyze, view, modify, and etc. Each tab has different panels like this build, circulation, mod, room and area. These all are panels of each tab. Similarly, structure tab also has structure panel, connection panel, foundation panel, reinforcement panel, etc. And each panel has different objects used during our modeling process, such as structural beam, structural wall, structural column, trusses. We also have foundation and foundation panel. We can also provide rebar from reinforcement panel. We can also use model text from model panel. We can create opening in wall, any shaft from opening panel. Similarly, all different tabs have their own panels based on categories. Now let's see in this steel tab, we have different panels of connection, different fabrication elements like plate, different type of bolts. We also have modifiers. These all are steel building element. In insert tab, you can see you have link panel. From this link panel, you will find many options like link Revit model, link IFC file, link AutoCAD drawing, and many more. Also, you have import options. You can import PDF or any CAD drawing, any GB XML file, etc. Especially for Revit structure, we have special tab that is Analyze tab. From this Analyze option, you can apply loads to your analytical model, boundary conditions like support to your building structure, and also can analyze your structural model. Now this is Modify tab. This is common tab which is used in the Revit architecture, Revit structure, and also in Revit MEP. Modify panel has many common objects like align, offset, mirror, move, copy, rotate. These all are common objects which are generally used in each disciplines. We had learned about ribbon tool, which many of you may find complex to use. So to overcome that problem, we have another function of tooltip. So when a new user opens Revit, he or she may get confused by seeing many options like architecture and different panels like modify, create. So to make it easy, Revit itself has option of tooltip. For example, to see detail of any options, just hover your cursor on any options like this structural connection. It will show detail of structural connection, like it adds a structural connection to structural elements and etc. In spite of this, some options also have video tips. Like in trim option, if we hover our cursor on trim option, it shows a video tutorial for trim command. Similarly, for copy, it shows video tutorial for copy command. Also, if you want to see your model object specification, just hover your cursor on that object. It will show detail of that object. Like this is 230 mm wall. This is stair. This is furniture. This is column, etc. So this tool will be handy for beginners. Some of you may find it interrupted. So to switch off this option, just go to File option. Then here click on Options. In Options, select User Interface. Here you have options of Tooltip Assistant. Click on drop down menu. Select None. Press OK. Now it won't show any tooltip for any tab, like in architecture or in any structure or in any tab. So this is all about tooltip. I will learn about application menu. So to open application menu, click on File option. So this is our application menu. Application menu is just similar to our MS Office tool. In application menu, we have several options like new. From there, we can open new project file, new family, new conceptual mass file, etc. Now similarly, from open, you can open a Revit project, Revit family, Revit file, IFC file, etc. From save, you can save your modeling progress. From save as, you can create a new file. From export, you can export your Revit model into CAD format, DWF format, IFC format. From print option, you can print different sheets, schedules, etc. And from this close button, you get back to the home screen of Revit. Similarly, we have this side open. This is our recent documents. Also, in open documents, this open document shows our open Revit project file. And in the recent documents, we have project which we had previously worked on. Now, in options, we have several settings for Revit. In general, we have settings like notification, save reminder interval. This is generally a prompt from Revit to say your Revit modeling process. Also, in user interface, you have different options like keyboard shortcuts, double click options, configure option, ribbon tag switching behavior, project environment, family editor. Also, in graphics, we have many options like colors. It is background color. As a default, we have white background in Revit. You can choose your own background colors like black or yellow or red. Also, you can change the text size from here. Similarly, we have many advanced options over here which we can see while learning Revit structure. So this is all about our application menu. Thank you.